All right, y'all. So dryer wouldn't start. Check this. This is your thermal fuse. It is blown. That's why the dryer won't start. But there's always a reason why they blow. The vent's clear there. But we come out here. It's a dryer vent. Nobody really thinks to check these. We're gonna pull this off because I see it's below the ground. Now look at that. Found it. At least that's been there a while too. So if it ever blows those, make sure your technician checks your vent. If not, it's gonna happen again. So we'll clean this up, put a new thermal fuse in there, and they'll be good to go. Y'all have a blessed day.